Hi friends, welcome back. In this video, we will share with you, on this very important topic. Myths and truth about COVID-19 vaccines, you should know. Novel coronavirus swept away many lives and businesses, proving to be a massive unprecedented disaster that mankind has ever seen. Though, humanity united in this wake of global distress and poured in resources to deploy the largest known vaccine drive on the planet. Almost all the nations are pushing COVID vaccination to protect their citizens, and break the spread of the pandemic forever. Unfortunately, you may come across some wrong information related to vaccines and their development which can lead to hesitancy on your part. In this video, we separate the vaccine myths from facts to empower you to make the right decision. Myth number 1. COVID vaccines are untested and dangerous. Fact. Many people have a lingering doubt that COVID vaccines are unsafe because they've been developed in record time, and may not have been subject to rigorous standard safety testing for human administration. This is far from the truth. All the government-authorized COVID vaccines under all the legal labels are totally safe. No steps have been skipped in their research, development, clinical trials, and safety testing. You are totally safe while receiving the shot under expert medical guidance. Myth number 2. After getting COVID-19, I don't need to get a vaccine. Fact. People who have been infected with coronavirus may still have the benefits of getting a vaccine. Due to the severe health risk associated with COVID-19 and the fact that reinfection is possible, you're advised to get a COVID-19 vaccine even if you have been sick with COVID-19 before. There is insufficient information available currently to support how long people are protected after getting COVID-19, natural immunity. Some early evidence recommended natural immunity for coronavirus may not last for extended periods, though studies are still ongoing. Moreover, most experts believe that vaccines provide better protection for coronavirus than natural infection. Myth number 3. The COVID-19 vaccine is risky because it was developed so quickly. Fact. All the authorized vaccines for coronavirus are tested, approved, and proven safe and effective. Even though they were developed quickly, they have undergone the same strict Food and Drug Administration procedures as other vaccines, meeting all safety norms and standards. Most importantly, no steps were skipped. Instead, it's such a massive success that experts with unprecedented global collaboration and investment were able to develop vaccines in such a short time frame. In addition, all the clinical trials and safety reviews literally took the same amount of time as various other vaccines. Myth number 4. Coronavirus vaccines causes infertility in men and women. Fact. This is another widespread myth that the COVID-19 jab will render a person infertile. There are posts and blogs on the internet that suggest that COVID vaccines cause the destruction of placenta proteins, like syncytin-1, in women, making them infertile. Similar baseless claims have been made for men's reproductive health also. These are completely false claims. No COVID vaccine alters or interferes with a person's normal reproductive health. They are completely safe for administration in people with no immunity or allergic comorbidities, which must be disclosed by the receiver to their vaccine administering professional. Myth number 5. COVID vaccination will alter a person's DNA. Fact. A rumor was spread soon after the vaccines became available to the people of India, that injecting the COVID vaccine alters the DNA of a person because of its mRNA, messenger RNA, component. The truth here is that the mRNA component of the vaccine only instructs the body's immune system to manufacture spike protein in some cells. Since this spike protein is an essential component of coronavirus, our immune system's memory helps it to recognize the spike protein, and trigger an appropriate immune response when it detects COVID in the body. However, in this whole process of pre-priming our immune system, the mRNA component never reaches inside the cell and interacts with our DNA in any manner. Myth number 6. If I am vaccinated, I don't need a mask. Fact. Mask, sanitization, and public distancing, social distancing, remains a critical strategy to stop the spread of the pandemic. While getting vaccinated protects you from being infected to a high degree, You still have to wear a mask and follow all the other protocols to break the chain of infection. Reasons for this include that a person can still be a carrier of the virus and spread it to other non-vaccinated people. Moreover, no vaccine gives you 100% immunity. So, avoid chances of even a mild infection by following all the standard pandemic protocols, including the face mask. Myth number 7. Getting the COVID-19 vaccine leads to the COVID-19 virus. Fact: the vaccine for coronavirus can and will not give you COVID-19. Moreover, the 2 authorized mRNA vaccines direct your cells to reproduce a protein that is part of the SARS-CoV-2 coronavirus, which guides your body to identify and combat the virus if it comes along. The coronavirus vaccine doesn't include the SARS-CoV-2 virus so that you won't get COVID-19 from the vaccine. Myth number 8. I'm not at risk for severe complications of COVID-19, so I shouldn't get the vaccine. Fact: regardless of the risk, you can still get in contact with the coronavirus and spread it to others around. That's why you must get vaccinated. After the COVID-19 vaccines are widely available, it's suggested that as many eligible candidates as possible should get the vaccine. It's not only to protect you and your family but the community as well. Myth number 9. You can't get COVID-19 after vaccination. Fact: the coronavirus vaccine is not 100% effective, so it's possible to get the infection. A few weeks after you get the second dose of the vaccine, you're fully vaccinated and 90% less likely to get infected by the COVID-19 virus. The vaccine will likely keep you from getting severely sick with the infection, but won't stop the virus from entering your body. Ensure to practice social distancing and wear masks in the public areas even after getting vaccinated. Are you vaccinated? If not, get your first shot immediately to save yourself and your loved ones. Let us know in the comments section about the other common myths we are missing. Like and share this video.